What's up? Happy New Year. This year is the year of getting the bag. What's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt, in case you don't know who I am. Welcome to this YouTube channel where we talk about day trading. So, 2021 is going to be a freaking epic year. This year is going to be marked by consistency, learning, and execution, right? So, consistency just across the board, but then consistently learning and consistently executing across the board to help us get the bag, whether it be in business, trading, relationships, etc. Right? That's my mandate this year personally, is just consistency. So 2021 is going to be epic. Let's get into why. So first off, the channel is staying the same. We are live streaming every single morning, Monday through Friday at 8:20 Central, live streaming my day trading sessions. So definitely come hang out, participate in the chat, talk with me there. It's a great opportunity to come and hang out as a community. Additionally, putting out content on different realizations I'm having and experiencing and sharing them with you through my day trading journey. Also, continuing to do the Discord chat room for free. It's linked down below in the video. We got a lot of links down below that are all worth checking out. So it is a free chat room, free live stream, keeping everything free and above ground. I don't want to create a community that is built on people throwing money in order to even participate in the community. I think that's totally trash. And so, yeah, just keeping it free. If you like it, you can come and hang out. If you don't even have to watch since you never paid anything, right? So that's the idea behind this channel. And again, 2021 is driving that same idea in my mind and life moving forward of just building a community and helping out as best I can. So also, if you're excited about the year being the year of the bag, make sure you press that like button down below and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. On the road to 20K. Now, if you are going into 2021 and part of your New Year's resolutions is to be a day trader or to be a better day trader, I think this is the perfect time. If you have been on the fence, if you've been watching the live stream, seeing me trade Top Step, if you've been on the fence about doing Top Step, start it now. It's the start of a new year. A great opportunity and a great time to earn yourself a funded account. If you are a seasoned trader, you already have a personal account and you're looking for an extra little bit of margin and money in order to take some more aggressive trades, or if you're a brand new trader and you have not yet taken the leap into funding an account yourself, you're a little hesitant, maybe you don't have enough money to be able to throw into an account, check out TopStep. It's a company that gives you money to trade with after you prove to them that you are a decent trader. Their rules are kind of tight, but they make you better in the process. You can get a funded account in as little as 15 days. A funded account entails them giving you margin and money to trade with. They take on the risk, and when you profit, you keep 80%, they take 20% home. So if that's something that interests you and you are looking to start the year off strong with that New Year's resolution, you can get 20% off. It's linked down below, the very first link in the description. And we'll keep trading it on the channel live, and you can reach out to people in the free group chat, which is linked down below. Tons and tons of people have gone through their stuff and trade their money, so definitely reach out there. So for me this year, again, like I've been mentioning, keeping grinding on the live streams, grinding on some futures content. I personally am going to be grinding on trading equities as well this year. 2020, I kind of put a little bit of I just pumped the brakes on trading equities. And so I'm looking to get back into it this year. Maybe we stream it a little bit, maybe we don't. I'll just have it up on my side monitor if anything. But I'm looking forward to it and just kind of, again, broadening my reach a little bit on what I'm trading and when I'm trading it, just to give myself a little bit of padding, which is good. Also on this channel, so you're going to see some futures as always. You're going to see some equities as always. This year, I am going to be getting into some commercial real estate investments as well that I look forward to bringing you along with. If you're not interested in real estate, don't watch the videos. But sometime throughout the year, it is my goal personally to buy and invest in some properties. And I look forward to kind of maybe going a little vloggy and kind of going through my thought process on those properties, showing them to you, as well as the outcomes of what they become. So that's something to look forward to on the channel. If you're interested in that, press that like button. And the last thing that 2020 is doing for me personally, I have put on a calendar. It's linked down below in the description for one-on-one consulting. So this is basically if you have questions about what you're seeing on the live stream, and they are longer questions, you can reach out to me, figure out when I'm available, and we can chat about it there. Or if you are just brand new to trading and you're looking for a little bit more hand holding, I will give you all the information in my brain to the best of my ability. Obviously, as always, and like I say all the time, a lot of the stuff I say you can find through a bunch of research and time put on your own computer, but hopefully this is a way to expedite that learning process for you and to pick my brain a little bit. So there's an opportunity to do that. It's linked down below as well. So overall, 2021 is the year of the bag, like I've been saying. The goal is to build each other up, encourage each other, connect with each other on different ideas through trading and business so that we can all get the bag and hopefully get paid out through 2021. So let's get it. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I look forward to seeing you throughout this year here on this channel and in the Discord chat. Have a good one. Peace.